Hey YouTube, it's St. Sean Miller. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff that I've been missing for the time that I've been absent from YouTube. But let's make this quick and sweet. I am here today because, like most people, I've made a New Year's resolution to be a healthier me. I've picked up a large amount of weight, and I definitely just want to get a lot healthier and better in tune with my body, as well with I am getting ready to do a 21-day spiritual fast with my church. So I thought that this would be the perfect opportunity for me to put this product to the test, something that I have been using, and it is the Natural Foods meal replacements. We're going to get into it in a few minutes. With those two, I just want to show you this other one I have here. It's Essential Reds, okay? And this is nothing but a bunch of red fruit and vegetables in a powder form right here, okay? And I'll just read a couple of them. There's strawberry, there's beetroot, top cherry, pomegranate, cranberry, raspberry, apple juice, tomato juice, rose hip, and there's some other goodies in here as well. This is a drink, but you can also, it says here, you can make this a smoothie. I really don't know anything about this because I haven't opened this one yet. The only one that I did open is this one, and we'll get into that in a minute. So yeah, this seems to be like a smoothie or something or such, and I'm sure it's going to be very, very delicious. But let's get into the meal replacements, because if you're like me, you're always on the go. I am quite sure that you need something like this, and I'm going to tell you why. Most of us pick up weight. I know I did, because I wasn't fixing food at home and I was just eating out on a run, going to different restaurants, going to fast food places, and that's never a good thing. So with these meal replacements, when you're on a go and you don't have time to fix food, you can fix you one of these and you will definitely be full for at least a couple of hours, and that's just a theory of mine. So I'm going to make that disclaimer now. I'm not saying that that's going to happen for you. Okay. So a little bit about what's in here. There's pea protein, pumpkin protein, silk brown rice protein, coconut milk, vanilla flavoring, cashew, and the list goes on and on. All these are the ingredients, so I'm not going to read all of these. When you get your own, you can read them yourself. So with this, I am lactose intolerant, so I will be using this for the duration of the time while I am on my 21-day fast with almond milk. Lactose milk is good too, but it still kind of puts me in some kind of mood, and I really don't like that. So I am going to be using the almond milk with this. Okay, the company is Natural Foods. It is 100% organic. It is vegan, and it is also gluten-free. So if you're like me and you can't have gluten, girl, boy, you definitely will like these things right here because they are gluten-free. So I am going to take a picture with this very outfit on, and I am going to just hold on to it. In 21 days, I am going to put this exact same outfit back on, and I want you guys to come back in 21 days so we can see my transformation with using this. Now, granted, I will be doing a fast for 21 days where I'm going to eliminate meat. However, I am going to be having at least 1 to 2 of these shakes each day and at least 1 of these drinks each day. So that's definitely going to be what's going to jumpstart my new journey. Okay, guys? So I am going to put all their information in my bio, their link, and you can definitely go on their site and check them out. And just let me know how you like it if you do try it, because I'm sure you're going to like it because I do. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 21 days. Bye.